Hi, so it's the 31st of December of 2023 and we are here in Sydney, Australia, waiting for the fireworks right next to the harbour bridge, where it's gonna be the main fireworks. And it's like almost 1 p.m. The fireworks is until midnight, but we're doing a picnic here because there's like a lot of people waiting, even camping to see the fireworks. It's gonna be insane, I promise. I mean, I hope it's gonna be worth it, so let's see. So look at all these people. We're like about 100 people waiting for the fireworks. It's like 3 p.m. The fireworks are at midnight, and I'm not gonna be tired of saying it, but yeah, this is Sydney, and I'm so excited because it's supposed to be like one of the best fireworks in the world for New Year's. So let's see. Look at these people, like all camping, drinking. But honestly, it feels like such a good vibe, even though we're gonna be here for a long time. Okay. So I changed rooms now, and I'm with other friends. I'm doing. What time is it now? It's almost 8:40. Yeah, and we're still waiting here. A few hours left, but look at the view.
It's so beautiful, so
like
chill.
At night, it looks so much better. And look at the bridge. And look
at Joe.
She's so cute. Yeah, look at the bridge. It's so. Imagine all the fireworks there. It's gonna be nice.
It's crazy.
Got them, they got them.
She's my friend Seville from Luxembourg.
Yes, sir.
And Ben.
No, that's Joe.
Joe. What are you doing? Ben. Sorry, Ben.
Technically, it was also a 3-letter name, you know, almost there.
Joe from London.
London. From London, SA.
So, let's see. Okay, this is not the real fireworks, are the fireworks for the kids. But still, look at that, looks insane.
We're laughing though, bro.
But it looks so cute. Really cute. Naomi and I'm like so grateful because we're here in Sydney enjoying the fireworks, and honestly, like, this is real for us. Like, we're gonna remember this like
forever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell my grandchildren. I'm gonna be that annoying grandma always telling them back in the days. Remember this one time when I was in Sydney celebrating New Year's Eve and I saw the Sydney fireworks. It's amazing.
Honestly, yeah. So I'm so excited for the real ones.
Yeah.
So I came back to my main group. Right now they're like kind of sleeping, and like the half of it in the toilet. But looks like there's a lot of going on, a lot of party, and like here I have the harbor bridge as well. So let's still waiting for midnight and the real fireworks. It's supposed to be amazing, but it's the only thing that I'm saying.